YI Rajkot presents Young Indians Parliament 2025, where 10 Thalir schools are going to participate in one of its kind Young Indian Parliaments, where our new leaders, the young leaders, will be sharing their ideas, their energy, their visions for incredible Bharat. Come, let's see what's going on inside. We are in the Young Indian Parliaments inside, and the students are super excited, and the roll call is going on, as you can see, from the ruling party as well as the opposition. So we are inside the parliament and it is about to begin. એ લોકો અત્યારે મેનિફેસ્ટો બનાવે છે. Let's go inside and see એ લોકો actually શું કરે છે. હેલો, શું કરો છો ગાઈસ? તમે બાળકો શું કરો છો?
અલગ અલગ મિનિસ્ટર્સ નું ફોર્મેશન થાય છે, બરોબર, જેને તે કામની અંદર વધારે સારી રીતના એક્સપ્લેન કરી શકે અને મેનેજ કરી શકે.
ઓકે, તો યુ આર આસ્કિંગ કે કોને કોઈ ટોપિક ઉપર વાત કરવી છે?
યસ.
શું લાગે છે, કોઈ સિલેક્ટ થયું છે? કયા સિલેક્ટ થઈ ગયા છે? કોણ સિલેક્ટ થઈ ગયા છે?
બધા સિલેક્ટ થઈ ગયા છે.
તો કોઈ somebody wants to volunteer and say
I am the education minister.
Education minister. અચ્છા, શું કેવું છે ભાઈ તારે? What about the education minister?
See, in India we have a very good education. Right exam we have the two hardest exam, which is NEET and G Mains. So also we have UPSC, which is one of the finest and hardest exam we have.
Okay, now I should leave, I think. We have the Young Indian Parliament core team, YIP Rajkot ni core team. We have Dharita and Kushal with us. Tell us something about the YIP Rajkot.
So basically, YIP is an initiative by the national team where we try to empower the youth of class 9 to 12 by giving them a mock session of how the parliament works, to foster them with democracy, to enlighten them with how to research what the country is going through, what reforms should be taken. Basically, to put in some sense in them, because they are the youth, they will be coming up in future to this level, so to enlighten them from this tender age. So that's the initiative.
That's amazing idea by Young Indians. Dharita, can you tell me about how Rajkot is preparing for this?
Since last over a couple of days, we are preparing these students for YIP, and today we have a 2-day program where over 100 students have been participating, and we have approximately 10 schools from which these students have come. It's a 2-day program where they will be delivering their speeches from different constituency, and they will be representing these constituency and speaking about their ruling party or opposing party, and they will be speaking on the manifesto and passing a bill which they feel should be like something that is done in the original parliament. They are trying to replicate it over here and preparing themselves to be the next MPs, I believe.
So it's a great privilege to have Member of Parliament Rajya Sabha, sir. તમારું શું કહેવું છે? So what are your feelings? You just had a very wonderful session with kids. So તમારું કેવું experience રહ્યો, sir?
It's been a very good experience. This is my second opportunity to be part of the Young Indians initiative of budding young politicians from schools who are creating a parliamentary scenario and learning whilst they do it in the debating scenario. So I think it's been a very good initiative. I'd like to congratulate the organizers. They have done a fantastic job of collecting these young, smart young students who could be the budding politicians of tomorrow's future.
So we had an amazing time listening to whatever you said. But for the viewers who missed out on the very important part which you said, can you give the crux and highlights of whatever you shared inside us?
As being a young member of parliament in my early 40s, I would say that this is a very exciting time to be contributing to the growth story of the country. The country is going through a very transformational stage under the Honorable Prime Minister, and India is moving leaps and bounds in the right direction. We've got a great vision of a Viksit Bharat in 2047, and to fulfill that objective, the country in all its spheres, all its departments, geographically, different states, different backgrounds. Something is being done for every citizen of this country, and that is the crux of what is going to make India Viksit Bharat in 47.
Thank you so much, sir. YI Rajkot, it is always great pleasure to have you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. So as you can see, right from the man himself who is present in the Rajya Sabha, and he giving his valuable times and motivating our kids what better things we want. And thank you so much, sir, again for coming, and we'll be keep calling you for many such events and looking forward to many such events, sir.
Pleasure to be part of it again.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So we have Hiya Bhagdev with us. She is the youngest speaker of Young Indian Parliament Rajkot. So Hiya, how's the feeling?
It's actually very fun. It's great. અહીંયા બહુ બધા માણસો છે જે લોકોનું ફિયર સ્ટેજ ફિયર નીકળ્યું છે. I am a bit scared as well because this is my second time chairing. It's good being the youngest one. થોડુંક બીક લાગે છે કે how will I perform, but it is very fun to be very honest.
So અત્યારે ફર્સ્ટ સેશન થઈ ગયું છે. So what are your views? Ruling party છે, પછી some opposition party છે, and everybody is representing અલગ states અને bills બોલે છે. So tell us something about that.
So basically opposition અત્યારે પાવરમાં છે કેમ કે રૂલિંગના પીપલ આર અ બિટ વીક, એટલે અત્યારે રૂલિંગનું સેશન ચાલુ છે, એન્ડ આઈ ફીલ લાઈક કે બાય ધ એન્ડ વિલ હેવ વેરી ગુડ પોઈન્ટ્સ જે આપણે એકચ્યુઅલી મોકલી શકીએ છીએ મિનિસ્ટ્રીમાં. રૂલિંગ એટલા સારા પોઈન્ટ્સ છે એ લોકો આગળ. They are very polished to be very honest કેમ કે મેં બહુ બધી ટ્રેનિંગ્સ લીધી છે આ લોકોમાં. It is fun, it is good. I feel like by the end મને વધારે ખબર પડશે, and everybody is speaking, which is a big pride for us કેમ કે બધાને બહુ સ્ટેજ ફિયર છે. સ્ટેજ ફિયરમાંથી નીકળવું was very difficult for them to be.
All the best here for the next 2 rock solid days, and let's rock.
Consi Power, IPC section 509, 354, 354A, Article 14, 15 and 21. Although they mention equality over everything, there is no gender equality.
Soham Kuwadia with us, and look at him. He's looking total rock star with us. So brother, you are representing which state?
I am representing Gujarat as opposition.
And what are your feeling? How are you feeling in Young Indian Parliament Rajkot?
બેસિકલી આ મારું ફર્સ્ટ ટાઈમ છે YIP-માં.
ઓકે.
અને હું આમ જોઉં ને તો એટલું ફ્રેન્ડલી એન્વાયરમેન્ટ છે ને કે મને જે એવું લાગતું જ નથી. હું એકલો આવ્યો છું તોય મને એવું લાગતું નથી કે હું એકલો છું. અને હું આના ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશન્સને પર્સનલી થેન્ક કરવા માંગુ છું કે આટલા ફ્રેન્ડલી એન્વાયરમેન્ટમાં આટલી એન્કરેજિંગ કોમ્પિટિશન રાખી. હું અહીંયા મને પર્સનલી એન્કરેજ કર્યો હતો અહીંયા કે હું અમારો પહેરવેશ પહેરીને આવું, અમારા રંગીલા ગુજરાતનો પહેરવેશ પહેરીને આવું, એટલે હું આટલા વ્યવસ્થિત ડ્રેસ થઈને આવ્યો છું.
Absolutely, bhai, you are really looking nice, dashing, and all the best for the next couple of days. And rock, Jai Garvi Gujarat.
જય ગરવી ગુજરાત.
Ruchir Ruparelia with us. Ruchir, you are representing which state and
New Delhi.
New Delhi. So you are representing the ruling party.
Yes.
And tell us something about the Young Indian Parliament Rajkot.
The vibes here are just immaculate. I cannot say how I'm feeling because it's indescribable. બધાય નામ લાઈક ભેગા આવીને એક જ વસ્તુ વિશે આમ કન્સ્ટ્રક્ટિવ ક્રિટિસિઝમ ને સારી વાતો કરતા હોય બધા, લાઈક બહુ મજા આવે છે. Really enjoyable.
And what are your thoughts about the current political scenario?
અત્યારે જે રસ્તે ઇન્ડિયા જઈ રહ્યું છે બહુ સારા જ રસ્તે જઈ રહ્યું છે, અને આઈ વિશ કે અમારા જેવા યુથ ભેગા મળીને એને હજી સારા પથ પર ચલાવે.
All the best for the next 2 days, bro. Rock it. Dr. Harsha with us. She is the esteemed member of YI Rajkot and also the jury member of Young Indian Parliament Rajkot. Ma'am, it is lovely having you. And what are your views about this amazing event that is going on?
First of all, I would like to say that it's so wonderful to see these young kids sitting in a parliamentary position. It requires real guts to do that. So obviously, I congratulate them to have such a confidence level to come and speak up for the India. And of course, I had a little trailer before we actually begin the whole session. In the trailer itself, I saw that look at their confidence. I mean, they have not entered the college, and the thorough study they have done for the country. I mean, phenomenal. And a couple of them have a real confidence.
Correct.
So yeah, I really look forward, and I'm very happy to see that how these students are actually, performing, and very happy to see that future of India is real bright.
So ma'am, any final words you want to say about politics or the youth, about India and where the nation is going basically?
I would, say same like our Prime Minister that youth are not useless, they are used less. So of course, and the YI chapters, the parliamentary people, are how we are using them, how we are nurturing them, is actually making a total sense.
Absolutely.
So yeah, youth, politics, politics, we say dirty tricks. No, it's not dirty tricks.
Correct.
Not at all. It's a wonderful step towards making our country a topmost country.
Absolutely.
So yeah, looking forward again.
And looking forward for the rock solid 2 days, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
जो जॉब अगर स्किल नहीं होगी, अगर गवर्नमेंट स्किल ही प्रोवाइड नहीं करेगी तो जॉब कैसे मिलेगी? Can you repeat please?
Mr. Baudik Parekh is the Thalir chair for YI Rajkot and has beautifully organized Young Indian Parliaments Rajkot. એમનું બહુ જ ઇન્ટિગ્રલ પાર્ટ રહ્યો છે. સો સર, થેન્ક યુ ફોર ઇન્ટ્રોડ્યુસિંગ ધીસ ફોર ધ વેરી સેકન્ડ ટાઈમ. અને દર વખતે વી આર રેઝિંગ ધ બાર. સો ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ, Thalir as a vertical is also doing phenomenal activities because Thalir being the very important stakeholder of Young Indians, બહુ જ સારી એક્ટિવિટીઝ કરે છે. એન્ડ નાવ આઈ વોન્ટ ટુ આસ્ક યુ અબાઉટ ધ યંગ ઇન્ડિયન્સ પાર્લામેન્ટ રાજકોટ. સો વોટ આર યોર વ્યૂઝ, સર?
ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ, થેન્ક યુ પાવક આટલું સરસ ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન માટે. સો યંગ ઇન્ડિયન્સ પાર્લામેન્ટ એક એવું પ્લેટફોર્મ છે જ્યાં સ્ટુડન્ટ્સને એક ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટી મળે છે પોતાના વ્યૂઝ રિપ્રેઝેન્ટ કરવાની બાય બીઇંગ વન ઓફ ધ પાર્લામેન્ટેરિયન્સ. અને રાજકોટની આ રિજનલ લેવલ રાઉન્ડ છે, ચેપ્ટર લેવલ રાઉન્ડ છે, જેમાં રાજકોટની બધી જ સારી સ્કૂલ્સના બાળકો એમાં પાર્ટિસિપેટ કરે છે. અને એ લોકો કોન્સ્ટન્ટ આ 2 દિવસ પ્રોપર એક પાર્લામેન્ટેરિયનની જેમ એ લોકો એક્ટ કરી અને ડિબેટ સ્કિલ્સ પોતાની રિપ્રેઝેન્ટ કરશે, જેનાથી લોકોની સર્ચિંગ સ્કિલ્સ અને એ લોકોને જે રિસર્ચ કરવાનું છે એ બિહેવિયર એ લોકોની અંદર ઇમ્બાઇબ થાય અને એનાથી એ લોકોને એના એકેડેમિક્સ એઝ વેલ એઝ એમની સોશિયલ અને પોલિટિકલ લાઈફમાં એ લોકોને બધી નોલેજ એની મળતી રહે.
કરેક્ટ.
સો ધીસ ઇઝ વોટ યંગ ઇન્ડિયન્સ પાર્લામેન્ટ ઇઝ ઓલ અબાઉટ. અને રાજકોટ ઇઝ ધીસ ઇઝ ધ ચેપ્ટર લેવલ ગ્રાઉન્ડ. અને આમાંથી જે બાળકો સિલેક્ટ થશે એ લોકો આગળ રિજનલ લેવલમાં જશે અને ત્યાંથી જે સિલેક્ટ થશે એ લોકો નેશનલ્સ પણ રિપ્રેઝેન્ટ કરશે.
Thank you, sir, for briefing about the YIP Rajkot. Mr. Abhinav Kotak, the chapter chair of YI Rajkot, the one and the only, my favorite buddy. Abhinav bhai, welcome.
Thank you.
You being the chapter chair, bro, and YI Rajkot has done phenomenal activities in 2025. First of all, congratulations for that. And this being a very integral part of the 2025 activities list, because Thalir being the most important stakeholder and they performing this kind of events is a milestone for us. So what are your views about it?
So first of all, thank you Pavak, thank you for being here and supporting this event as you always do for YI Rajkot. So talking about YI Parliament, જે કે હવે એક માર્કી ઇવેન્ટ જેવું થઈ ગયું છે રાજકોટ માટે. Thanks to our past chair Dishit Kobaru and our leadership, Thalir leadership, Richa and Baudik, who took the leap last year by hosting the first ever regional round in the country. So YI as a whole, nationally આપણે પહેલું રાઉન્ડ હોસ્ટ કર્યું હતું, where dignitaries like our MP પરસોત્તમભાઈ રૂપાલા, રામભાઈ મોખરિયા, સાબુદ્દીનભાઈ રાઠોડ, કેસરી દેવસિંહ સર, ઝાલા સાહેબ અને રામભાઈ તિલારા, રમેશભાઈ તિલારા બધા જ આવ્યા હતા લાસ્ટ યર, and it was a marquee event. So this year we had it on us to make it even more memorable.
Absolutely.
So thanks to their support once again, we are here and we have had the good fortune of having Kesari Devsi Jala sir here.
Correct.
So this we look forward to have students debating, participating, having the democratic discussion which our country is very proud of and what we are made of.
Correct.
So I think that this in coming years will become even bigger and better, and we hope that a lot of students from our chapter Rajkot reach the national round and they win from there.
It comes from the leadership. He's so proud of the students that are participating. The words he is saying about the leadership, unity, grow together. Bro, one final advice you want to give to the viewers about anything, leadership, youth, politics, whatever you want to share.
No, so the beauty of YI Rajkot has been the togetherness, I would say.
Absolutely.
Like you see each of us supporting one another in any form, whatever possible.
Right.
So we stand together as one, and in that way we win. So like our EC has been standing together, supporting each other for all the activities, and so you can see our chapter is growing leaps and bounds. From, let's say, when I was the co-chair, the membership number was 90, 92. today we almost stand at 150.
Correct.
That is thanks to our members, the activities we have been doing, and I see it growing because it has been a very, I would say, positive chapter.
Absolutely.
And when we see things happening, impact being shown in real way, we take pride in that. And there's no advice as such, but it's good to be together. So let's be together and let's win more hearts. Thank you.
Grow together and let's rock together. That is Abhinav Kotak, the chapter chair of YI Rajkot. Thank you, bro, for having.
Thank you so
Yes, thank you. We have our very own सबके favorite ma'am, Richa ma'am with us. Thank you, Richa ma'am, for being with us and giving your valuable time. So, Richa ma'am, you being the integral part of the Thalir right from the beginning, you know, I still remember, you know, from acquiring that one school to hosting the regional level last year, and you know, right now city level YI Parliament at phenomenal level. So, talk us through that beautiful journey of Thalir.
Thank you so much, Pavak. First of all, it is very good to see you. It is always good to get questions from you. So, Pavak, when we talk about Thalir, yes, right from the journey of acquiring first school as a Thalir school, right from that onboarding to having students from Surat, Bharuch, Ahmedabad, getting a regional host, and this time chapter level even bigger than that.
Absolutely.
This time we have students from rural areas also. We have police kids also. We have municipal commission schools also. So
Great.
it's like we have touched every nook
That
and
is-
corner.
You know,
And
that is where, you know, I tell them that, you know, the number of schools doesn't matter, but the quality of schools, you know, the regions that you guys pick is phenomenal. And you know, I would personally like to appreciate that you are not even neglecting all those schools that are also very important and they should be here.
correct. Thank you for that. And this YIP is an emotion because the kind of thought that Darshan Mutha had, whose brainchild Young Indians Parliament is,
Right.
I see a lot of growth. Like me as educator over a decade and a half, I know that students, they just mug up. Rata marte hai. Rajya Sabha mein itne member, Lok Sabha mein. That also they tend to, you know, interchange.
correct.
And now they are getting to hear live a parliamentarian, a minister is beyond huge.
Absolutely.
And there is a lot of scope that when children come and be a part of it, they do not really have all the clues.
Correct.
But in these 2 days, a lot of transformation happens. Transformation in the way they think, because a lot of information that they do not know or they would not consume from elsewhere, they are getting
Correct.
from their fellow parliamentarians.
Absolutely.
They are
In a very fun, interactive manner.
Yes.
I agree.
And they are experiencing a vibe of an MP.
Correct.
And probably the one who do not like civics or politics also starts getting fascinated about
Correct.
it while we train. So if we talk about this YIP, right from last Sunday to this Sunday, morning to evening, there happened to be minimum 4 sessions every day.
Wow.
So it is a complete outcome of training, yet we find them raw. But they are learning, they are evolving. And
Right.
probably any program at Young Indians, we Young Indians are nurturing those Young Indians.
Absolutely.
And this is going to bring out that tangible outcome which is going to be visible in next 5 years.
So ma'am, what are your expectations from the coming 2 days that YIP is going to be, I'm sure, amazing?
See them coming raw and I see them going full.
Wow. So that is our very own सबके favorite Richa ma'am with us, talking through the beautiful journey of acquiring one school to hosting amazing Young Indians Parliament Rajkot. Thank you for, it is always pleasure to have you ma'am, and looking forward for many such Young Indian Parliaments.
Oh yes, for sure.
Thank you ma'am, thank you. What an insightful day we had at the Young Indians Parliament Rajkot. From speaker sessions like kids from 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th na kids so amazing points put up kera tha, the debating skills, the research skills, it was phenomenal. The jury members also enlightened us with lot of knowledge. YI Rajkot ni leadership and the entire EC supported us so much. Now I can say with full confidence and full energy કે આપણું દેશનું ભવિષ્ય is in the right hands. This is branding chair Pavak Nunakad signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.